Julia, don't take my waffle, Daddy. Julia, what do you have? What do you have? There's a waffle? What?
Yep, enjoying a waffle.
Where are you going? Uh-oh, got distracted. There it is. Baby's first waffle, or second waffle. Now I just want to play with it, rub it all over the counter. Oh, back in the mouth. Julia. Julia. You can tell we've been cranking today. Oh, Daddy, give her a waffle back.